Self can really build your credit up, but if for some reason you find yourself not being able to pay it, all I have to say is I don't care what you have to do, you want to pay it, or you possibly want to try to see if you can cancel it, but do not just let it sit there and not be paid because it can really damage your credit. When you close your account with Self and you haven't paid it out in full, or if you just close your account with Self in general, it can drop your credit score, most likely will drop your credit score. But if you're thinking about getting another account because you can't pay your self account, I suggest that you just figure out how to keep your self account. Because if you're thinking about getting another account, that means you're going to potentially pay this new company. So you might as well just keep the account that you have and try to figure out what you can do to pay it. And that's the main thing that I really like about self. So self have it now where let me pull it up for you guys. Self have it now where their basic account, like their $25 account and a $35 account, always reported to the credit bureaus for 24 months, right? But now they have it, and then the $48 and $150 per month, they reported that for only 12 months, but now they have it as these are reporting for 12 months. I mean, these are reporting for 24 months too. So now it's not like, oh, I just want to just make sure I can pay on time or just make sure everything is good. That's why I told you I like to do $48 per month. I just want to make sure I can legit had an extra bill. Nothing's going to come up where I can't pay it because if you mess up your self account, you guys, it's going to damage your credit so much. It's going to be so hard because they don't want to delete that account. So now they have it as you can get the $25 per month for 24 months. And I just suggest that if anybody want to have an account, unless you have a lot of money coming in, like I mean a lot of money, and like if you got thousands of dollars per month just to blow on bullcrap, probably what you're doing. If you have a lot of money just to blow, then you can go ahead and get like the $150 per month or the $48 per month. But just start with that basic one, you guys. And I do suggest that you put this money to the side in like a savings account or some other account, and then let them just take that money. That way, if you like somebody said that they lost their job, when stuff like that happen, you already know you had that money sitting to the side because this is going to really damage your credit by closing that account or not paying them. And that's just the worst thing that you can do. Like, you just don't want that to happen. So just try to do everything that you can do to pay off that self account and pay it on time. Because if you close it, it's going to damage your credit. And I just don't think um, that you should try to go with another credit builder if you leave self. I just don't see the point of doing that because you're going to have to pay something. It's a secure, you're going to have to pay something that's secured.